li emfundi soze zwilakho uze usi Sanbonani, how are you? Ngizonibingelela ngicela request abantu ababili abayi-2, just 2 minutes and then we are gone. We are gone. We are going home. We are going home. We are going home. Let me just take a few requests and greet you, and then I'll be out. I just came to say hi, nothing much. Yaphila. I just came to say hi. Hey, ngigcobe something like a problem with skin. So I always have to try different things to treat my skin. I've got this challenge of ingrown hair and stuff, so it creates some problems here. So there's this product they gave me at Discam and stuff. So yeah. But again, Sanbonani. I just came to say hi. I'm not here for long.
Hi.
Right, what are you guys up to? Let me request as many people, accept as many people as I can, just to say hi, and then we'll be out. I'm not cooking today. I was busy. I was looking for some bread.
Hi, Ntozo.
How are you? I will just take randomly. Once you've greeted and said a word or two, let me just take someone else and put in someone else. Let's just have a small conversation. Right, panel?
Your network better. I don't know if you can hear me.
I can hear you loud and clear. Are you good?
Hi, Ntozo.
How are you? Are you good?
Ngiyaphila. Ngicela ukuphapha before ngiphuma or before uphuma. Ngicela ukubuza.
Yeah, you can papa. It's okay.
Oh, regarding that, what is it like? No, not game. Was it game competition or something like that? I don't know.
Okay.
Yes, that tournament 200. I think the reward was 200 and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yes, I tried to inbox you, but yeah.
Are you part of the people who won?
Yes.
Okay, a few of you are going to my DMs when I think it was 3 people or something. Let's do this while we are here. I think sometimes the mistaken ends are you don't DM me immediately after the live. I don't know, but when I search you, amagama wena wafana amagama username is not the same as the registered name. And your name is
Dimakatso.
Okay, let's deal with that now. Dimakatso, while we are here. Dimakatso. I think there's 3 or something of you. Like, what is your name? Like your social? Because when I search Dimakatso.
Dimakatso Mpela.
Okay, so it's Dimakatso Mbele.
Yes. The mistake that I did, Gutinga, I think I reacted on your story, so yabo, I can't text you again or I can send you a message.
Okay, I'm accepting you. Please then send me your thingy, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, accepted you. Who else is here? Who did not get? Because I think there's 3 or 4 of you. Amahekele, I see. Did Amahekele win? Let me check here. Amahekele. It's not a lot of you. I think almost like three of you.
Can we just sending a number, ne?
Yeah, just send me your phone number so that I can make you an e-wallet according to. Okay, Amatetsela, I see you. And then I'll also do accordingly. Let me just do yours because I have your number while we're here. Sanbonan, I just came to say hi. I'm not shooting our normal content today because I was shooting for brands. So, I'm exhausted. I was shooting some pieces of content that will come out shortly and soon for some brands. So, because of that, I'm not shooting our normal content. So, the reason why I have this on my face is because I've got this issue, Bazalwan. I've got an issue of ingrown hair. So, being treated rough, you know. I've been trying a lot of products, DX, what. So, I'm always trying stuff. But it doesn't seem to go away. Some advise me to just keep the hair and not remove it because I've got a condition and I solve it. So, yeah. So, I have what I have on my face. Ninjani? Yaphila nami. I follow you, but I hate watching your videos because
Block.
no, no, I think it's a compliment.
Okay. Oh, I ndayiva.
I think it's a compliment. Yeah, ni right.
Siyaphila njani?
Arina mathada, rina mathada.
We, waqala umntaka gogo Nkosi yami nangesibhida. Ngosibhida.
Yeah, so today I shoot content normal. They say editor. I'm a brand content. There's brand content that is coming, so that means there's more competitions coming. Because you know, I always say I make competition based on getting brand deals. So there's brand deals that are coming, yeah. So it means there's more competitions coming.
Send it ready again for reposter and take friends.
Please, let winning. Because the reason I do this is just so that we can create some sort of like a stronger relationship as a family, but also just to find a way of giving back to people who are part of our family, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I really love it when you participate and when I also like can contribute to you that side, like when you follow my content and you love it, you know, it makes me feel fulfilled, you know.
Hey, kodwa siyabulela yazi.
No,
Ngiyabulela mthethela mina.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. But also another thing we should do mostly so that we can get more brand deals is to tag brands on posts.
Brands, yeah. I think if mhlawumbe Zitya, then mhlawumbe Sunlight, we must tag Sunlight. No, I've never siyazi that. If you are Vasa, Nivea, we take Nivea. If UP, well, shop zakho, we take.
Yes. And there's Yans here. Yans is our moderator, so she's the one who will coordinate to accept next people and all of that. Please don't feel offended when she does that because sometimes we get carried on conversations and don't give others a chance.
Okay.
Yes. No, let's do that. Let's check. The more brands we get, the more what, the more giveaways, but also the more recognition of our work. Because our work does, deserve to receive some recognition because I do believe partly it contributes positively also just to society in general, you know.
What in the sunscreen is going on, Dogos?
No, this lotion they gave me at this camp, I've got a challenge of ingrown hair that is causing me a mess.
What do you use to shave?
I've changed everything. I've used a machine, a razor. My skin just doesn't want me interfering with the hair.
There's that other Katikura thing that I saw this other guy was using, and apparently it helps him with the ingrows. If I find it, I'm going to share it now.
Okay, please do.
Apparently it really helps.
Almost everything, you know.
Velu your works. Velu uyazithanda. Velu hambe your works.
Okay, maybe I should consider that.
Yeah, that helps also.
Okay, I will consider that. I'm gonna go home this weekend, so maybe when I come from home, cause ekhaya, awuthi ngishareke manje. I don't usually share personal stuff. So ekhaya I have umalume wami ekhaya. So behind indlu ngemuva, kulala kunomkhukhu ngemuva ekhaya. So ngifuna ukuyobhidliza lowo mkhukhu la kulala khona umalume ngimkhandele iroom. So I'm gonna go down this weekend to deliver my tiles and some few things. Because ngifuna ukukhanda 2-bedroom ngaphandle. I-room lami elizoba neshower netoilet ukuze mayifika intombazane ingabangi nomalo lapha ekitchen.
Hayi.
I-room lami
Umalume ushadile.
no akashadi manje. Kuzoba ne-room lami ngaphandle lizoba neshower netoilet and then bese ngikhandela umalume i-room lakhe. Ukuze nje masiye ekhaya mase siba nezingane ngoba sizoshaya kulandelana fast.
Aze kwanzima.
Sivakashile singabangi nomzali lapha endlini. So I just want to build a 2-bedroom then nomalume ngoba umalume ulala emkhukhwini for now ngimfakele ikamelo lakhe elidecent nalo uyabona.
uNkulunkulu akubusise bandla mshono malume uzojabula.
Untokozo.
Malume
Hayi
akazi-
usunayo intombazane.
Yani please take over when it comes to panel. Yani please take over when it comes to panel because mina
Untokozo before ngiphuma. Ngakushiyela ingakudima yo angazi bekunini bese kukudala shame ngicela ukuthi ngicheckele.
wangisendela i-DM.
Dala.
Okay don. Ngisecheck.
Nami ngizokubona.
Ngiyabonga.
Okay.
Alucheck bandla.
Siyabonga kakhulu akunankinga.
No problem.
Okay teacher, okay Nkemele, okay Zikode. Let's interact nabanye abantu nje quick fast. Ningamind sinenkinga, all of us have problems bazalwane. So when we try to apply solutions, please ningasimind. And bafowethu ngiyabonga a lot for gifts and for liking and making our live what. This is just an interactive live, you know.
Okay,
So someone says ngicela ukuba umalumekazi. Umalume wami is not present. He's not present.
umalume
He's not
lesofa
present.
engiliwile bandla.
Angizwa?
Cela unganike
Umalume-
umalume lesofa engiliwilile.
Umalume uyaziphuzela akanasikhathi nje. Umalume akazazi zonke lezi zinto sizenzayo.
Ungamniki ifilisha le esilindele ukuyiwina.
Uzoba naso isikhathi samalumekazi.
Uzoba njani? Umalume is not present in this life thing. He's just living in his own world, you know. Akekho party empilo. Ayikabi futhi nje emakhaya sonke sinabo nje labantu sothi ekhaya kini ubani umalume umkhulu you know akayingeni nje indaba yempilo. And ayikabi.
Amara ngiyabonga ukwakhela umalume irunyana bandla. Nkosi kubusise.
Yeah. Now my thought is also nami uma ngekhaya I need to have i-room because i-room yami i-bedroom yami you know lama bedroom athecheke kimi indlu ngaphakathi but i-connected like even though ingaphandle but i-connected kwi-main room kwi-main house so nami sengifuna ukuba nendlu yami nje mangifika ekhaya ngaphandle ene-toilet ene-shower the experience ingayigeji when I'm home, you know.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Shy, bro. I'm shy.
Bona.
Bafo kunjani bafo slow poison
Yes, Nath, I wanna see.
ungamoshi la ngopoison wakho
Sanibona Ntokozo.
ninjani
Siyaphila kunjani?
siyaphila nathi siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokusigcina kuze lolu suku bazalwane.
Awu Nkosi yami siyabonga. Mina nijabulela nje ukudende sayibutwe.
Angizwa sis.
Channel.
Hello
Hello.
yebo
Dithi first time ndi acceptwa ku channel ndiyabonga Nkosi yami.
siyabonga and there is Uyans who's coordinating all of this and I really have to recognize her siyabonga kakhulu. Mina I focus on the conversations, she takes care of moving people around and thank you so much Uyans for that.
Siyabonga ke. Thank you.
Ukuphi nendawo sisi umadikela
Lapha eJoburg e4 ways.
Oh, ula e-Fourways.
Ewe.
No, ngifuna abantu bazi ukuthi awukho la, ula. Mawuse-Fourways ula.
Hayi bo, akho kwanto lana.
Siyabonga. Ekhaya kukuphi?
Ekhaya kuse-Eastern Cape.
Oh, uze ngomsebenzi.
Madalitela. Ndize ngomsebenzi eJoburg, yeah.
Hayi, siyabonga kakhulu. uNkulunkulu akubusise nezinto zakho nawe ziphushele.
Hawu Nkosi yami ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Sanibonani kwi-panel. Siya-engage nje. There's no like planned arrangement. If you just want to greet and also just like engage with the people, please come through. Sanibonani any corner kwi-panel. Nama-comments siyawabona. Futhi engage with the people, please come through. Sanibonani any corner kwi-panel. Nama-comments siyawabona. Futhi engage with the people, please come through. Sanibonani any corner kwi-panel. Nama-comments siyawabona. There's someone on my chat too. Okay, ngathi simute-kini. Buti kanti mina ngiwinanga i-furniture appliance nyana. Uzowina Precious soon. Sanibonani kwi-panel. Hello ninjani?
Hey, unjani?
Khona uthi hello malume, hello mshana. Sanibona TK. Ntokozo yini
Sesinaye nomalumekazi malume.
Ngizoba naye kanjani ningamcingi ngoba kufanele nimcinge nimlethe nisho ukuthi nangu malumekazi. Sizomthatha. No, lento engifaka ebusweni nginikwe discam for ukuzama ukudila with this. I've got this issue of ingrown hair that makes my skin iyangilimaza, so bathe ngi-apply then ngigeze and stuff. But I've been trying a lot of things. My skin is just like stubborn and very sensitive. So uma ngaba kwi-relationship neskin esinje ngingaba worse ngoba kuney'nkinga laphayana. Ninjani kwi-panel?
Ngiyaphila Ntokozo kunjani?
Ngiyaphila nami. So if I enter kwi-relationship ngifuna skin sami sibe ngcono singabi worse ngoba make kwaba ma-problems iskin sami sizoba worse. Khona uthi hi to
Bangcono mawuthi. Iskin sakho siyareact wena une-stress.
No, ngineskin esensitive just that.
Sathi bese bethi uyadabana.
No. Ngiyazi because of the content I'm doing. People sometimes they confuse me. No. And sometimes I will be like, I'm sure ukuba gay has got something to do nendlela mhlawumbe ofila ngayo when, like, you know, on the intimate side of things. So like my ability to do stuff with my hands angeke kwazi ukuthi akuhlangani nalenye part, you know. This is a background upbringing issue. And nokuthi ngingi-soft because I'm kind of soft, people assume ukuthi mhlambe I'm hiding and all of that. No. Ngiyinsizwa nje impela nje. Nkosi yami. Noma nginezwe elincane kodwa ngiyinsizwa. Someone says yeah,
network is bad. It's coming out a double, so I don't know if you guys were able to hear me. But my request is please also add a shower for umalume Nkosi yami.
Okay, ngicela umute lona 6 wheeler. No, umalume ekhaya ikhona ishower common. Ishower lezo baserumini is reserved for I mean banayo ishower uma unayo endlini no khona enye futhi ephandle. So there is enough. Eyami is just giving ubhuti omdala vibes. When he comes home, I mean, and at least he's doing this himself, you know. So ubhuti omdala deserves that thing. Yabona?
Usunemehlo emasoshada.
Definitely. uNkulunkulu ekubona ku right isikhathi esi right, you know. Because ezinye zezinto so like
Ooh, thanks for
marriage,
having me.
izinto ezifana nomshado kanje, I also believe you need beyond yourself, like, because when you engage with people who are married and stuff, they will tell you what umshado has got each challenges, but it's probably necessary because we are building community and society. But you need something that is beyond you. Musuzongena kuleso sigaba. Maybe uNkulunkulu, if ukholwa kubantu abadala, you need bantu abadala. You know, you just need something that is beyond you. And also now as a man, let me also say this. I think as a man, you also need to be partially ready because umshado is more of a responsibility from the side of a man. You have to deliver, make sure ikhali right. You know, so you must, you know, while ngisatatazela nokuyo kwakho to room ekhaya, ngabe frustrated le ntombazane manje. So I'm sure it's a matter of time.
And umshado uyathandazelwa ntokozo.
Uyathandazela
You
ma.
mustn't have pressure ebantwini to get married. Yeah. Ungabi ne-stress into yoba funeka ushadile. No. Funeka uThixo akubonise uba you must get married. And uqale ngezinto ofaneleke uqale ngazo. Because uzawuthatha umntana womntu and wena you'll become frustrated. Uyayibona? Because when you're a man, you must be a man enough into yoba ukwazi unkosikazi wakho umenzela izinto ofuna umenzela. It's very good ubabonisa abantwana bethu ba umuntu uqala ekhaya. Before uhoyike umuntu umama wase next door, you must first uhoyike umzali wakho lo ukukhulisile. So mina ndiyakuthanda kakhulu, ndibonga into yoba abe khona umuntu njengawo ozawufundisa abantwana bethu abangamadodana babone uba umuntu oyindodana masinrely emntwini obhinqileyo ukuze akwazi ukuzenzela izinto. Ngenxa yeemfundiso zasekhaya, you can do at your own. Ngexesha elifanelekileyo uzawumfumana unkosikazi ozawulungelana nawe. You mustn't have pressure yabantu bazawuthi ushata nini, utheni nini. No. Okay, uNtokozo bayaphosisa he's gay. Even if you are a gay, eyakho noThixo wakho. No one can judge anyone for that. Yes.
No, siyabonga kakhulu ma ngamazwi profound.
So we get inspired. Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu ubafundisa nana bethu babona apha kuwo into yoba umuntu uyakwazi ukuzibuilda. That doesn't mean ufuneka oyame ngomnye umuntu. Uzawuthi xa ifika unkosikazi wakho afike eyazi uba ukhona uNtokozo. uNtokozo yintsika yekhaya.
So true.
Siyabonga ma. Kuyasijabulisa nathi ke ma ukuzwa omama who speak at a level of ukuba omama, like who show that they have walked a particular path and they've got something to feed us as silandela ngemuva. So that's one of the things I appreciate about Stage Late, because we've got the diversity yabantu, sinabantu abasebancancinci, abasakhulayo, nabantu abadala who always just feed us ngolwazi olu-correct and nge-inspiration right. So siyabonga kakhulu these profound words nami ngiwabamba nje enhlizweni yami ukuthi uNkulunkulu kube uyena olidayo, but also nami especially because I'm a man, ngingathathi ingane yabantu ngingekho ready, even in the sense of resources, ngizomfrustrate ngisayokwakho to room emakhaya and all of that, you know. So ne-timing ibalulekile kulezi zinto. So ngiyabonga kakhulu from kuloko kusharishayo.
True.
Yes ma. No, siyabonga kakhulu ma. Thanks a lot ma. Ukhonze ekhaya.
Yeah, siyafunda lukhulu kuwo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ma. You know
siyakubalalela nathi Eastern Cape.
Awu siyabulela kakhulu ma. You know, while you are talking ma, I generally don't share much. I generally don't share much about my personal life, including my upbringing. But let me just touch on something because we just happened to talk about this. So I don't grow from a normal family and from a family where there is mom and stuff. I grew up from extended family members, Gogo for 6 months, Kababomkulu for 2 years, this and that, because umungathi ngizalwa ubaba zangabe bikho.
Yes.
Uthi wathatha i-decision yokumshiya umama mhlambe ngenxa yobugwala bakhe and so on and so forth. Or ama challenges that I would not know. You know. So, but I wanted to touch on something because you said siyafunda on what you are doing. So then recently I had an interaction nomamkhulu engakhulela ekhaya lakhe. Oma wam, generally I call her my mom because that's a lady who raised me. So she knows I've been doing this thing of like TikTok and stuff, but which means she had never paid enough attention. So recently, which means she just got data and happened to be on TikTok and stuff, and then she went through the page. So then she calls me after, because she spent the whole night like looking at the page and what I've been doing, and then she calls me the following day crying and saying, you know what, when I look at what you are doing and I look at how you came about, how you were raised, including growing in her house, I can only see God because we had children in the very same yard who grew up going into the best sorts of schools and all of that. But unfortunately, due to life circumstances, they did not, I don't want to say they did not choose the right path, but the influence, which means directly or indirectly, did not yield them to the correct path of life. So, but when I look at you, I'm just shocked, but I'm learning a lot. I'm learning about how people should not have excuses in life. I'm learning about how God can really have a plan in a place where no one can expect anything. So I'm just being touched by Amazwako Mauti. Now I'm also learning as part of everything that is happening here. Some of the things I really did not anticipate and I did not know they mean so much. I thought I was just having fun and just showcasing a little part of my life, but not knowing that there's a little part of it than what I was doing. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ma. I thought I should just share that and probably just share to other people as well to say I don't come from a space where I have umama no baba, where I was raised with love and care. I come from a background that is really, really upside down, staying in that family for 6 months, there for many months, then there. But somehow the universe, God, just propelled me to want to have a peaceful life and probably want to work in a certain way. So probably it's a message also to everyone. When they look at their circumstances as well, I know we've got a lot of people here who come from families where they don't have parents. They don't have this, they don't have that. And some of them, especially abafana, they would say, mina ubaba kangikhulisanga, so that's why ngingakwazi ukuba indoda. Nami ubaba kangikhulisanga, but I'm doing everything in my best ukuba ile ndoda ngiyithole in a father figure in my background. That's my true motivation to say I want to be the ngifuna ukuba ile nto that I knew when I was young. You know, le nto engangiyidinga ukuthi esho kube khona ubaba. I don't want to repeat the same mistake ukuthi yilo baba ngeke abebikho because ubaba akabangabikho, you know. So probably it's a message to all of us and to those also who are here who come from really rough backgrounds to say hayi ekhaya kukho ukuthi when you see me now I'm not successful but I'm in a direction that points to going somewhere. Just know that now you can take baby steps wherever la ukhona and just be responsible and try by all means ukuthi ube yilento ofisa ukuba yiyona. Noma ngabe yini that it takes ukuthi ungayenza just do it. Like asina isikhathi nethuba lokuba nama excuses, but let's do everything in our best possibility ukuthi sibe yilento esifisa ukuba yiyona. I was just touched by and motivated by Amazwako to touch on these. I generally don't talk about this much because these are sensitive topics. Yes.
I'm raising a child, ne? This child that I'm raising, I've got 8 months. Umntana we best friend yomntanami. He's 6 years today. Ngenye imini ndiye ndithi xa ndithethayo ndithi ndibawela abe njengawo ngenye imini. Angathi abazali bam abandikhulisanga. The original parents. Apha elokishini badla ngothi xa bethethayo bathi why umthanda kangaka lo mntana ingathi ngumntanakho. Ndithi xa ndithethayo, you know what, this child was a chosen one. Because when he came to our house I never knew he will end up engumntana wam. But uThixo each and every day unipha amandla uba mandimthande more. So that ngenye imini masinisey mna naba abazali uyayibona ndikhuliswa ngile family uyayibona loo nto so thina sibulela into yoba ngenye imini xa bekhulile sithi jonga untokozo uyambona umfana naye zange akhuliswe ngabazali bakhe which is i-biological abazali bakhe but naye namhlanje ungutata wabantwana bakhe uyayibona because we always learn from omnye umuntu yes so I want to say keep it a good work ntokozo
ngiyabonga kakhulu ma ngiyabonga kakhulu and nawe ukulabusisa with the work you are doing. Thank you so much ma.
Yeah,
thank you, thanks a lot ma.
Thank you so much.
Sanibonani.
Hello sanibonani.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila futhi ntokozo njani?
Siyaphila. So you just request uyanzi will accept you uzoloku siyashintsha nje siyabingelela siyadlula. Just 2 minutes. So make a request on the panel, uyanzi will accept you.
Hi, mina nje bengizele kuzovusela shem, nothing much. Nokuthi siqale nini ukuthi my man sengifuna ukuqala ukusho ntokozo ngithi my man.
athi ngiyokhanda lo 2 room ekhaya ukuze mawuvakashile ungabangi nomama lapha indawo yokugeza uyabona.
Hayi asengibekezela.
Shoda nje sekuyalunga, we are almost there.
All right, hi, cheers guys, ube right ne?
Thanks Lelo, now ube right.
Thank you so much.
Yebo.
Sabona Ntokozo.
Ninjani?
Kunjani baba?
Siyaphila nathi, siyabonga.
Ntokozo, you know what? Bengifuna ukungena ku live yakho the other day kunamazwi owakhuluma amakhulu angakhayo nami as ngikule age enguye ngiyacabanga ungange firstborn yami kodwa ufunda komdala ufunda komncane kwangempela I think intsha ngiyacabanga iyazibuza maybe iyahalela impilo ukuthi how do you do it why a man of so many talents mina ngiyaku-observa ngiyakulandela konke ama-page wakho bengilo ngizibuza ukuthi man there's something about you yebo lento yenzayo abanye nabo bangayenza but wenza kakhulu and there's this something special ngawe and ngizoyithola impendulo kuleyo live wayenza I think it's a month ago when uthe one thing wathi umzimba wakho awunaso awuphile emzimbeni onesiphithiphithi angeke ngiyibeke exactly ngibeke ngakhona kade ngakubamba nje lo ngathi hey konje umzimba uyahlonishwa umzimba uyacheck ukuthi invite abantu because kunemimoya ezokucindezela evala izinto ngeke uzubona abantu ababhalwanga who you allow in your space angisakhulumi ngomzimba mawuhlonipha umzimba that means umzimba wakho pure and uhlala cleansed aw attracting ibhedayo yiko everything oyenzayo noma ngabe omunye umuntu angayenza but ngoba ithathwe uwe it turns to gold bengithi nje kwangathi ungayishare maybe a little bit more often because it's an awareness ukuthi nalento ukuzingena ukuzifaka emijolweni uyinikezele ebantwini awazi badlulephi uyothatha leyo mimoya uyifaka kulo ngalokho nje bengithi ngathi ungayishara nje a little bit abantu abayi-understand i-secret yokuyiphatha kahle nokuthi izinto u-attract izinto ezi-right sigcina sinama-depression nama-anxiety ngoba asizihloniphi and ngiyabona nawe uyibeke phambili kumele bamazi uNkulunkulu at the same time konke bazo-attracta konke okuhle bangagcini ukhalela impilo yakho but bakophe bamamele mawukhuluma ngiyabonga
kakhulu sis ngiyabonga kakhulu sis. Thanks a lot for taking us back to that conversation. You know, it's true, you know. And siyabonga, like I can't say much because I think you've said everything. Like ngingathandi because of ifear yokukhuluma nomuntu ongeka understand when they don't have experience enough, and probably when they are not in the right state of mind and emotions to listen to this, and they may end up thinking, I exaggerate ngamanga. Like I ikhona into ekuthiwa imimoya, like into ekhona leyo. Into ekhona leyo ngiyayazi from experience, and nabanye abantu mhlawumbe who have experiences bayayazi. So the bigger part of my life is shaped by that. If I were to take you explain it as you would say I'm lying. So sometimes I prefer not to talk much, but I would just say find your own way of talking to God, either through prayer, find a way though to connect with God. That's very, very important. If I were to tell you a lot about what I have experienced and seen with my eyes closed, you would just say I'm Nama. But if you have experience with what I'm talking about, you would understand that I'm talking about something that is real. So to preserve on that journey, I generally don't talk much unless you really want to hear, because otherwise you just say ngiyagula. You'd say ngiyagula if I would say umulele, sometimes uyakwazi ukuzibona uphuma emzimbeni uya somewhere. But ubone ukuthi ngilele, but I'm leaving. And then mhlambe somewhere la uyakhona kunezinto ezithile ufika ubona. Mhlambe you can even go back as far as going to your family history, learning about your history. Sometimes seeing ahead, sometimes seeing on the left, on the right. But I don't like talking much about that unless I'm talking to someone who's curious to talk about that, or someone who has an experience. Those things are real. And when you start going through such, you may think, I will lie and stuff, until you have enough experience. You can just sit down and hear a voice telling you something about something.
Yes, but I do relate to be on. I'm spiritual gifted. I know what she's talking about. Also, when angazi kusekwenzakalani, mina I connect with God by singing. When I singing, I just feel those yabona amandla la ukuthi yabo right now. I feel like ngiyambona uNkulunkulu njengamanje phambi kwami.
Yeah.
So nje sengithi wa network Nkosi yami, but nje indlela engithanda ngayo Nkosi yami nje ngikufo like usuku lami nje liqala ngayo Nkosi yami, indlela engajabula ngayo. You was here in Durban, wangene Oceans Mall. That was my brother, store manager lapho, and then he posted yo, I was so happy. It's like nami, so indlela nje sithanda ngayo Nkosi yami, uqhubeke njalo uNkulunkulu akubusise nje mfethu, and your content I love it Nkosi yami.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu, and ngicela ukuthatha for granted ukungishare le feedback, because there's moments where sometimes you feel like slowing down on content and so on and so forth, but hearing such really keeps you going and it gives you strength. There are people who really appreciate this, and then also there is someone AM affects her positively. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi into ezifana nalezi. Thank you so much, sis.
All right, ngiyabonga.
All right, ngiyabonga Z.
Hello.
Hello too.
Ngiyaphila njani? Is it me?
Yeah.
And ngiyabonga kakhulu family for the gifts. I see them ngengabona nenhliziyo engaka ngathi Nkosi yami lenhliziyo lena kodwa akasiye kimi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for the gifts and for liking the live and so on and so forth. Yebo siyamthanda uphindile.
Asimthande.
Simbonge.
Yebo ke. Uyaphila tu.
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila na.
If you call me too, it means you know me from Escort.
Yes, of course.
Hey Bathomi.
Yazi mfethu ngikujabulela kanjani mangibona
abantu from primary school.
Yebo, sicula lapha esakhile.
Yes, ngiyabonga coming through. Thank you so much. Yo.
Mfethu ave ngikujabulela mangikubona abantu bekuthanda kanje. Yo mfethu ngiyavuseleleka nami. Mfethu ngiyakujabulela kakhulu yo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu nami. I'm so tired to connect nomuntu who knows me as far as like primary school.
And yazi mangikubona like TikTok belonga ikufanisa ngithi hayi ngathi let me go through nje i-page lakhe ngithi no man ngiyamazi lo muntu noma ungathini. Yo mfethu ngiyakujabulela kakhulu nje ngathi uNkulunkulu akaqhubeka kubusisa.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Sisungathi ngisacula igospel lapha.
Hayibo. ngikwazi kahle kamhlophe nje. Ngeke akudingi umuntu okhule naye. No, ngeke.
Siyabonga kakhulu sisi uNkulunkulu akubusise, and also thanks for coming through. You know, this nami kuyangiphilisa ngikuconnectana nabantu like mhlawumbe like you know ngiyabonga.
Yeah.
Okay sisi, ungicheck-ke mangipostile ngilapho ngisescourt because I'm sure I will show up ngabo December kanje sibonane
Yabonga
sibingelele.
December ngizobe ngikhona emakhaya. Ngwalapha kaMbanjwa mina ngeke ngingazi kaMbanjwa ngizobe ngikhona emakhaya.
Kamanje kunzini?
Yebo, khabo kwanele.
Hawu. Umakhelwane ngoba phela mangizela
Makhelwane lapho nje angijwayele nokukubona ngizokubheka ke manje.
Hawu hayi cha siyabonga kakhulu. Usekhona ukwanele?
Ukhona mfethu ngangimkhombisa ngisibonga umngani wakho.
uNkulunkulu ambusise.
Naye akakholwanga sheme kubona.
Young man probably because of
Yes.
Amazing dancer. uNkulunkulu
Yebo, fayedansa bo. Sidansa lapha kaMazibuko.
Hayi kulungile makhelwane sobona soyiqede mtshezi lezi ngiyayiphela.
Thank you.
So ungikhonzele lapho kukwanele.
All right, I will.
Yebo.
Bye.
Sawubona Tokozo.
Hayi kade uzama aphindile Nkosi yami.
Mina angisukushaya ibhishi eqinile. Ngizothi weTokozo kade ulala unqunu sikubonile izolo sabubamba, you are a naked man. Awubheke weTokozo before ngiphume indaba ulala unqunu yesibonile manga Tokozo ukuthi wena uvela ube enqunu. Bengelele lokho nje ukuzosho ukuthi what a naked man. What a naked man. Bye weTokozo wena usuku olufana nolwakho.
Angaze ngicabanga ngizozwa into enje ku-social media kodwa ngathi kunjalo. Ayikulungile phindile siyabonga.
Noma ungangiphendula ukuthi why ulala nqunu ngabe bafana bezoma next la abafuna ukukushada ukuthi why ulala nqunu, the naked man. Bye Tokozo.
Hayi kulungile siyabonga.
Hello.
Sanibona njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila Ponso. Ngibize kahle.
Yeah.
Are you good?
I'm well, man. I'm good, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, so no, I just hopped onto this live and then you have a wife thing happening of 20 and then you were talking about that. Have you ever tried waxing?
No, I haven't. Like, you know, my skin, you know, it's bonus something like severe arms, and then there'll be some hair wanting to come out. I should try it because I've been using about VX, about Banbani, get this from Woolies, toes, stuff. So, skin something like, would you suggest waxing?
I would, even though I'm not a dermatologist or have experience in that space, but kunalenye podcast enginayo with this nurse. So one time ube ne dermatologist as a guest, and then Bega explained normally what causes discomfort. Friday. And then kuphume ilonda is because when you must shave, you need to shave a direction yenywele zakho, like the way zikhula ngakhona. But because we're black people and our inywele zethu they're curly, noma ungashave la phezulu or washave la phansi, it's still gonna cause leyo friction leyo. So she did suggest that to avoid ukuthi kube kanje, you need to wax. So yeah, you can go to Plaza One. You live by that space La Payana where there's sobe. So you can just book La Payana and then get a waxing appointment. Then you're gonna be good.
No, I'll consider that. Someone also said it on the comments, but you've just made more sense. You know, when you started speaking about shaving upward and downward and so on and so forth, I've tried all of those things. Like, so the only thing probably I haven't done now is waxing because then it's kumba, you know, we all have these complications, but we'll be okay. Thank you so much. I will definitely try waxing and I'll give feedback. You'll see just one of the videos on the content saying eating your wax. Soft life.
Awesome. All right,
Thank you so much,
ngiyabonga.
Ponzo. Sanbonani on the panel. I muted your mics because there was some sort of like sound. So please unmute yourself, or should I mute you? Unmute you. Can I do that? In the next 10 minutes. In the next 10 minutes, yeah, Balega, I
Hello.
was just here to say hi. Ninjani?
Hi Ntokozo kunjani?
Yaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila ukhuluma naTemaswati lana.
Temaswati, tinjani Temaswati?
Ngiyaphila. Ngiyeva bakhuluma ngemaqhakuva akho lapha asambe sekagogo eSwatini kutawuphela lokho.
Ugogo wendani?
Ngithi mina ngiyeva bakhuluma ngale ama-pimples akho la esihlathini. Ngisasambe seSwatini kutawuphela.
Ayi ndizathi nibuya tapha eSwatini sendiyakuthanda into endingayiva. Ayi ugogo andenza into enizakwenza ukuthi ndingakwazi ukuncuma xa ungekho.
Kodwa nje kude imfana sitakwenza yona nje sitawungena nje kagogo singene nge-Oshuku singene ebhabani.
Ngizawuthi ngiphuma lapho ngithi sengicabanga ukulobola fast.
Hayi itakangwane sikulinzile.
Okay, ngizocabangwana.
Ude bantu ude nje vele i-content yakho siyayithanda nathi siyayibuka ngala kangwane.
Hawu ngiyabonga nami ngiyasithanda Swati.
Ude sibuye emhlangeni nje bese emhlangeni nje last month.
Yonke into right nje.
Konke kamba kahle Nkosi, konke kamba kahle.
Ngisendleleni ngizeSwatini ngizayishaya izule. Sizobona ugogo yonke into ihamba kahle.
Utawubona wena Nkosi nje ungena ngeligede ububuka.
Sanibonani.
Sawubona bafo njani?
Bafo.
Ngiyaphila bafo wami nami ngithi ayingene bafo. Ngidlule ngibonge bafo ukuthi as in ever since I've watched your content yakho mfowethu life yami ichinje kakhulu and ngifuna ukusho ukuthi ngiya-appreciate mfowethu. I was the first person ukuthi ungithumele i-perfume if I'm not mistaken. So uNkulunkulu mfowethu kwangathi angakugcina esandleni somusa. Uhlale uhumble the way ungakhona mfowethu. I really appreciate you. Uyazi angidluli mfowethu ilanga ngingalayikhanga i-video yakho. Stay humble mfowethu. Much love bafo wami.
Hey bafo, I'm so touched. uNkulunkulu akubusise. I appreciate when I also come across men who resonate with what I do, because most of the times very much hi. You know, so I really appreciate umanibona ezinye zezinto because owathi ubaba kumina try to be as a man, try to be fully equipped. Ungabi only ready empilweni ngokwemali kuphela, because uzokhoza ama-problems later in life. Equip yourself mentally, equip yourself emotionally, so that even if you were to like get to a point where you are married and all of that, awucabangi ngeside lemali kuphela, but you also think around other human aspects that will make you indoda that is ready to hold or lead ikhaya. So just to come across abantu who are open-minded like this, I really appreciate it, my brother. uNkulunkulu akubusise.
Awuyazi ubafo wami wena.
Wakithi wena.
Ngiyabonga bafo. Wakithi.
Danko.
Ntokozo my brother.
Kunjani bafo?
Ngiyaphila kunjani? Asikhize ngomsindo kancane ngiyadrive ngisendleleni ne.
Alright siyena, ube safe lapho.
Yeah, maka mfethu hayi content yakho mfethu ayasibusisa Ntokozo mfethu.
Bafo.
Ayasibusisa mfethu. Ntokozo mfethu ukuvule i-topic one day mfethu yokuthi umxolela kanjani umzalo waxusha ekhaya ekubeni mawukhula bese uyamondla futhi. Yazi maybe mhlawumbe singahile mawungakhuluma ngayo Ntokozo. Because ama topic akhe it's always ngayo yabo.
Bafo.
Inkinga esisuka nazo ku-MDA lokhuzaneni kubazali bethu sifaka kuma-relationship ethu mfethu, and ama-relationship ethu engasebenzi just because of that, ukuthi asihilanga kahle yabona.
Ikhuluma into enkulu bafo.
Ntokozo mfethu kunzima mfethu, angifuna ukutshena manga mfethu bowuvule nje itopic yalokho mfethu ke sizwe mhlawumbe singahila uyabona.
Yazi Bafo, I just appreciate one thing. And please, yazi ngicela umnika isikhathi uBafo because this is so dear to my heart. I just appreciate one thing ngawe and what you are saying. I appreciate the fact that you see that something behind or something at your background has an impact to who you are right now. Why do I appreciate that first? That is so profound, but that on its own. But for a lot of mistakes that we make in life, some of them we do not see the cause, where they come from. You know, once you are where you are right now, for me, you have succeeded.
Yes.
In dealing with the issue. Then other steps moving forward, discuss. The fact that you have been able to identify that which happened to me 20 years ago has an impact today, for me, you are very far. But for a lot of problems, a lot of men are in jails, a lot of men are abusive, a lot of men are mistreating their own partners and so on and so forth. Some of it, they are not awake to the fact that some of the things that happened a while ago have programmed them to be positioned in this particular state of living or seeing things. So why not because you are where you are right now? For me, you have went far. Because once I identify in the Bible, land or yona somewhere in the impact la. But forgive me, so I just want to appreciate you for that. And obviously, this is a very wild topic to talk about. But the fact that you are here now, you are able to say, hey, Ntokozo, my brother, this has caused me to be here. For me, you are far. Abantu abaningi bafo abafiki la ufike khona. But abantu abaningi angaze ngishadele noma ngishade. It's divorce, it's mistreatment of partners, it's abuse. Some of them, they are not really aware why they are at this emotional state abakusona. It's because so for me, this is a very wild topic. Probably we may have to touch it one day. And omunye umuntu ngeke understand uma engayazi from experience. These things you can only know them from experience. Omunye umuntu angajayi, you are being loose, awunaki, what. You can only know these things when you have experienced them. So for me, Bafo on the journey, watch more podcasts around background, childhood traumas. But we will definitely at some point, I will try to at some day to collect abantu abadala, abo mama, and people who have some just to have this conversation, because this is something that needs abantu abakhulile esingeke sithathe ngama emotions nokudatazela. But what you've touched on, Bafo, for me, you are the uyindoda ozoba uyile ndoda ofisa ukuba yiyona in the future. The fact that ufikela kimi usuhambe kakhulu Bafo, and uNkulunkulu uzokupha amandla. Akubona bonke Bafo abantu abakwazi ukufikela in that state of mind ukuthi I need to look into this and I need to go deeper and see ukuthi how can I touch base and fix this version of me so that ngizoba ile version engifisa ukuba yiyona. Usukude kakhulu wena Bafo. uNkulunkulu akusize. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming across and touching on these things. I'm also partly a product of those things. You know, Bafo, I always say this to people, when you see someone ever good and when you see someone ever great in life generally, most of the time ask them ukuthi most of the time engathi ungafisa ukubuza ukuthi yini lo dlule kuyona ekwenza ube nje. Because generally abantu abanama attributes rights nabantu aba-capable, they've went through izinto esikhathini esiningi abantu abaningi abangeke bakwazi ukuzimela. That's how abantu abaningi are built in life. You are built through struggles most of the time. You can learn this from the Bible. Umufunda ngokukhethwa koMose nabo bonke abantu who were big characters in the Bible. When you read about their history, most of us can't stomach what they went through. Also, if you learn about the history of the world and politics, the greatest leaders, the Nelson Mandelas, and so on and so forth, when you learn about their upbringing, you see something different from Indaba Bayona Ksasa. So, even our challenges before now, the fact that was Wabona and has a bigger purpose now. I can tell you just hearing this. The fact that you can realize with this and this almost caused this, but I'm aware of it, and this is where I want to go. It means Ukulukul has a plan with you, because most of the people don't arrive at that level. uNkulunkulu akubusise.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa bhutami and bhutami ngiyabonga kakhulu ne, ngiyabonga kakhulu because ezinye izinto asikhona ukuhila zingakhulumanga ngazo yabona. Yeah, well life ini ngisuccessful kakhulu futhi because I'm working ngaphandle, so ngina everything, but kunalento yokuthi no man, kunenkinga engisesenayo ukuthi ngakhula kanjena azangakhula ngendlela eright ekubeni nganginomama vele ubaba vele wangiphika ke, so nje umama into engiworried ngayo because manje yimina esengimondlayo, yimina engimakhela imizi yonke into yabona. Basi-ke ngiyacela one day ke sikhulume ngalokho nje, maybe sizawuhila.
No, we will bafo.
Maybe nama relationship ethu engasebenza kahle.
No, we will bafo. Wena uNkulunkulu akubusise like, and if possible bokungi-DM nje sixoxe eceleni like brothers, like you know, I will just open a space ke
Okay, ngicela ungifollow back ke khona ngicela back khona ngizok-DM bhutami.
All right, no stress bafo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Ntokozo ne.
Thanks so much for coming through and talking about this, because one of the things esidila nazo ezweni
asikhisini abantu abakwi-panel.
Yeah, let me touch on this and then ngikhulule. You know, thank you so much about talking about this, because one of the things esibhekene nazo ezweni i-society ikhala ngamadoda that are abusive and so on and so forth, that are cruel. Some of it comes from these situations. So the fact that when you are like, I want to do my very best to be the best I can be, ukuze ngizoba into engcono kwi-society, for me, you are a hero, my brother. Ukuze ngihlangane ne-celebrity nomuntu omkhulu, wena ngiyakuhlonipha nje because of ukwazi ukufika kule sigaba okusona right now. Thank you so much, Bafo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Ntokozo, ngiyabonga mfethu kakhulu.
So travel safe, my brother. Follow up back. We'll talk on the side. Thanks.
Hey, Sanborn. Good evening.
Okay, thanks, Ntokozo.
Sanborn. Okay, Shasha CN. Ninjani?
Good evening, Ntokozo Kadube.
Unjani Sibo, unjani Bafo?
Siyaphila. You know, I was about to talk. Tema Swati uthathe bekakhuluma about uThumeli eSwatini, but I'm touched about what Siyanda is just said now. You know, Siyanda, just hold on, my brother. You know, they always saying healing begins at the moment when you decide that you deserve better. If you've seen that you deserve better, my brother, one of the day you'll heal. But healing, it doesn't. Akuyona into ongavuka ukuthi kusasa usupholile impilo iyaqhubeka. Simuva nama-scars ethu empilweni. Umuve now while in public you wear that smile, but deep down wazi ukuthi uyasha. But I'm so happy ukuthi uyakhuluma uBafo. Kusho ukuthi there is a way forward kule nto ayikhulumayo. But kuyona into nje engithintayo ngayo. But another thing that I wanted to say as about the content, you know, as much as I'm thinking we are encourage the cleanliness. Sometimes nami ngiyake ngiyibone ngithi nami ngwamfana ngizama kuba better, but yeah, keep it up, my brother. Your content is very good, and I'm also supporting what my other brother was saying. One of the good days, if we can just have a topic that we can discuss as a public, maybe some of them they can be helped and they can heal, therefore they can see life at the other better side of the world, therefore life can go on. Sometimes we don't talk. But sometimes deep down inside we are dying. Ushone umuntu wabe uhleli nabantu in public, but deep down when you are alone you can see that, you know what, now that's not me, it's something else, it's someone else. So thank you very much for the brother who just touched the topic that is so sensitive, but that it needs someone who's emotionally intelligent, someone who has grown up, someone who's know ukuthi usufunani empilweni, uphumaphi, undlulephi, uyaphi, what deserved ayidingako nje empilweni. Thank you very much, my brother.
We'll definitely open a topic one day. Let's khuluma about things that matter. I like the idea, and because it's requested by us, we will definitely do it. Thank you so much, please. Sanborn finally, we are jumping out exactly at 9. So let's be a little 2 minutes. Let's not go beyond 2 minutes. Ninjani Bafo?
Ngiyaphila njani mfowethu?
Yes Bafo wami.
Nami ngithi bethu ngivele bengicela ungisendele inamba yakho ku-DM, ngiza ngalapha eGoli next month, I think ngiye-15 kanje.
Okay.
Ngizokubuka sibone kamfana.
Okay Bafo, uhlala kuphi? Ekhaya kukuphi?
Kusenkandla kodwa ngila eThekwini.
Oh, vele enkandla.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, bafine osoxoxa
Kodwa
ukhona
ngayethulile
zokuhlanganisa ngapha
Western
lapha.
nampe.
Angis-
Bengizovela nje ngizovela ngalapha eGoli.
Oh,
Bese
khona.
ngithi ake ngidlule ngi-check-e kupage because nginakho ukubona amavidiyo akho yabo.
Hayi
Nami
ngiyajabula.
kunabantu abangiphushile-ke mina yabo. Mina bengizenzela lokhu kuy'impahla nje okuyigqokela bangiphusha abantu uthi ekuseni awukuyo-check uNtokozo. Untokozo duma ethi ngiyafika. Kunje mfethu ngathi hayi nami ngoba because zikhona izinto enginazo eke ngiyenze le content le. Yenzeka
Okay.
mfethu. Ngiqale khona la bengicommente khona kwenye video omunye mfethu bekade kuthegile.
Okay.
Wacomment wathi angithethe konke amavidiyo engiwenzayo. Like ilento le ipage lami selikhulile futhi. Ngithola ama-followers I think 1K angazi nibani. Engiwathole ngo-1 day izolo.
Yeah.
Because ngicela ukupost izolo ngikuthegile mfethu. So ngiyobonga nje bra wami lokho nokuthi ngiyanyuka ngiza ngala bengifuna ukudlula nje ngikubone bese ngiyibuya.
No, ubala lolo bhuti. You know, ngiyabonga
Alright.
kakhulu baba. And also, thanks for tapping in kwi-content because kwi-content sometimes ezinye izinto ungaziqala ungekho great, but with time you learn and so on and so forth. But this strategy, I
Yeah.
always tell it to people abapost ama-video, ne? When you tag i-page lomuntu who's trending like myself, who's made a name, it helps your videos. Sometimes ngeke wenze intention to gain more views and stuff like that. And also, if you
Yeah.
tag me, if people tag me on your post, I always show up and repost your post because I also want you to grow and I also don't want you to give up on what you are doing. So every time you post, I just tag me. It will notify me. Sometimes when I don't see it, people will tag me. I will show up and come and repost. It helps me.
Abakuthegile mfethu. Bakuthegile mina ividiyo yayizolo. Abakuthegile inqwaba.
Hayi ke ngijabula nje ukuthi uyawubona umehluko futhi into
futhi,
ebalekile ukuthi
awukhulu
ufuna
umehluko.
ukhule nawe kulo okwenzayo uyabona.
Yeah, ngiyabonga kakhulu mfethu.
Hayi ke ubani
Okay,
soxoxa
bye.
baba. Ngizoyichecka nami
Sharp, bro.
kwazamani.
Kwazama ukwakhe.
Hayi ke alright bafu ubala lo.
Sharp ngiyabonga bafowethu.
Danke.
Hello, kunjani?
Molweni njani?
Leshapo, kubulela Sibheki phela.
Awabulela akere nna ke wena re kwešhišišane.
Ukwishisha okay, sisi ke bogela di content ja gago yo shem. Ai matete wa tsa ke nrumu ka re phela le skono a tsa jale o nrisha diphoso ka re ke a pea mepeto.
Ke na le cap wa ke cap ya bulela Sepedi. O dula mo kae?
Dula mo
Barutswa ko Limpopo.
Ke tla Limpopo ya mar currently in Witbank.
O tswa kae ko Limpopo?
Jen First Mphalane.
Jane First.
Yebo.
Awa, are leboheng. Nna ke thabela hore re a bolela, re khona ho kwishishana. Wa bona, wa nkwa mara hore ke a bolela.
Yeah, I can see you trying.
Hey, kwazama. Okay, no, thank you so much. Thank you. And ngiyabonga kakhulu family for the gift. I'm seeing ama gifts that I've never seen before. Ngibona izigqoko, izinhliziyo, it's so lovely. Ninjani? Hello.
Ngicela ukuphendula ku topic ya. Hello, uyangizwa?
Yes, Bongi, you can come through.
Hello.
Yes, Bongi, we can hear you.
Yes, ngicela nje. All right. Ngicela ukukhomenta ngoSiyanda because it's quite concerning and ngiyacabanga ukuthi baningi abosiyanda la ngaphandle. It's very sensitive lento ayishoyo and iphula ama families amaningi. Yazi engizoyisho ngiyazi ukuthi inzima akukholula but we've been there singabanye. Kodwa yikho into ekhululana njenge forgiveness. Especially mawazi ukuthi you cannot change the past. One, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi wena awukangeni deep but lokho okushilo ukuthi ubuhlala la 6 months la 2 years in angifuni ukuthi ngikuvusele in but I can sense ukuthi angeke uhlale endaweni 6 months wasuka waya kwenye inguthi bokumnandi move. Makube bokumnandi bofanele ube stable for years ukhulu uzusebenza but if ever bowugcogcoma there must be a reason enguthi mhlawumbe ubongaphathekile kahle. I'm just assuming but if that is the case what did you do? That means you forgave and wa-choose ukuthi uzibuilde wena cause omunye uzwenza excuse ngokuthi mina ngangigcogcoma ngingana stable home, that is why sengibhema, that is why sengiwomanizer, that is why this and this. When you chose ukuthi mina ngizoba disciplined, maybe ngizofunda ngithola umsebenzi ngiyiphathe kahle, bofanele ngabe manje ubambelele kulokho, but you forgave yourself, waforgiva nabo bonke la, cause abanye abantu bangakusiza, yes, but up to so far. Ngoba ngisho nomama akho at times unokukhathala dino, what more kulabantu bohlala kubo. So icase yakasiyanda uthi the mother was not like present, ubaba vele the way akhona ngakhona bekangekho all together empilweni yakhe. Makabonge yena ukuthi today unjani unani, makabonge lokho cause abanye bafelele endleleni, abanye bakumahunga bakuphi kuphi baselele endleleni, yena bonga ukuthi ne family structure ibingasi that strong, but uthi na kusebenza ngaphandle unezinto uyazenzela, that is a blessing. Lento leyo makube yiyo overpower ama obstacles adlule kuwo, angasana ukuthi kwenzakaleni emuva abheke phambili. One thing for sure, umzali ephuza eyisidakwa eyini angeke uthola insipho yokuwasha ukuthi lo mama ungizele yena ngoba ubusisekile, makabe positive. If abafanele kube nento ayenzayo for umama aqhubeka yenza, awubhadala okubi ngokubi wena yenza okuhle ngoba uNkulunkulu, you've got nothing to lose but everything to gain. Ngokuthi ubuyele emzalini wakho hleze angabuya kuma senses abe right. At the end of the day noma sithi asibaniki, uNkulunkulu uyapha ujikuye uyathatha futhi. What if the very life engithi mina ngiyaphila ngistable ngiright, kusasa kuba nento yenzakalayo ngidinga yona lo mama loyana, you understand? So I think forgiveness is key.
Thank you so much, Sisibongi. Thank you so much. I don't even want to add, and on your words, I think they are profound enough to speak for themselves. Amazwa khanele. Kuningi nami engakusho about these topics, but generally ngeke dive in deep, but I'm happy ukuthi si diverse kanje. There's people who have got, I can tell through your words there's a lot of experience with life, pain and tears. Just through your words, I can just hear that this person comes from far, So thank you so much for sharing that. I generally don't talk about this and relate it to my personal experiences because there is just a lot. What I generally say when I speak to people, even though I advise them to find their own way towards life and do not rely too much on kumazunwetu, I often say, I have never seen God, life, the universe, creating the best people from nice experiences. And let me repeat this, even if it sounds easy. I have never seen God creating the wisest of human beings and the most reliable human beings, dependable, strong, emotionally, psychologically wise and understanding through nicer experiences. So I generally say that and then say, look at your way of interpreting that and all of that. But I've never seen life giving us the best human being, the best thinker, the best, wisest counselor in marriage, wisest counselor in careers. I've never seen a person who's wise through normal situations. Wisdom generally and strength comes from situations that are generally seem to be dire. So in my own view of that, I generally say, I think uNkulunkulu sometimes when there's circumstances and situations that are really hard, sometimes enye into esuke ifuna ukuyifisa kuthina ukuthi asifundise something. But again, life in ups and downs. Sometimes it's not even easy to view life like that and view things like that. But you just have to find your own way of life navigating that, So yeah, but impilo is complicated sometimes. But we are living now at 9. Let's just touch base nabantu by 2 or 3. Ninjani?
Saphela njani?
Saphela
njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Yebo, ukhuluma naye uLiva wacela isibongo qhamuka kwaNongoma. Yebo, bafacela ukuthi Ngicela bafuthi ungisize ngalapho kunesimo esavela ngapha ngasekhaya umuntu ongasho ukuthi umama kimi wadlula emhlabeni ngesandla samyeni wakhe. Umyeni wakhe baba nengxabano njena base umyeni wakhe akhetha ukuthi emdlulise emhlabeni ngokuthi embulale ngokumgwaza.
Okay, ngase bafuna interjecta ne. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu.
Yeah.
Angikuphazamisi. Ngingavele ngikureserve indawo eseceleni. Sixoxe eceleni into enjalo because ngisaba ukuba sensitive kwengxoxo for wena for umndeni wakho. You know, uma kungafisa sixoxe ifana nale, ngicela ukuthi ngikuvumele okungcono ujuvele ungi-DM sikhulume nawe ubuso nobuso mhlambe sibe kwi-live engejana because of ngisabela ukuba sensitive kwengxoxo but also ne-confidentiality yesimo. Ngicela nje ngizokuvumela, ngicela ungi-DM manje ngizoyi-accepta sixoxe eceleni because of how sensitive this may be and ngenzela ukuhlonipha. Also angifuni kodwa ukukurejecta nokungayisizwa isicelo sakho because mhlambe ngempela I could be the person ongakwazi ukukulalela but ngicela ukuthi singayixoxe emphakathini because ezinye zezinto zijule kakhulu yabona. Okay, so ukhumbuzane ngizokhuluma naye eceleni. Ngizokhuluma naye eceleni. Asithi waqaqana labantu abayi2 siphume.
Sanibona.
Ninjani?
Saphila ninjani?
Siyabonga. Sizothandaza bese siyaphuma. Thank you so much Yans. Siyaphila.
But Ntokozo le uzaba lo uyangazi ngihlezi ngikhona vele mina sekusele kancane nje soon ngizosubscribe kwamfana soon nje ngiyangena. Ngicela nje sisakhuluma manje ngoba mina inhliziyo yami iphukile. Ngiwinile ama competition ayi2 angaze ngathola ama RDP. Ngicela lokho siku live thumela ama RDP wami webhuti.
Kwenzakalani? Have you DM'd me? What's happening?
I DM'd you wayibona and then washo ukuthi wa apologize on the next video ukuthi bo busy awusithola ngesikhathi. Ngicela manje I can even share the screen. Uzama nje. Uzama nje straight.
Uzama bani like kufuna ube negama eliphelele. Angeke
uzama nje.
Okay, let me just check your profile.
Twice ngicela ungicheke manje.
Hayi futhi imali ayikuthandi.
Hayi ayingifuni futhi yabona le yasekhaya hayi inamanga.
Hayi futhi ayikuthandi ngoba Nkosi yami angiba frustrate abantu ngalapha.
Hayi futhi mina first time and second time hawa. And ngisawangena ama competition ngengidele.
Okay, no ungakhathazeki ngizokwenzela zama. Angifisi ukuthi siyenze go live as if manje we don't mean what you are doing but ngoba sengicommittile ngizoyenza.
Oh uyangibona mara.
Yeah,
you see my messages.
I've just screenshotted your messages. I've seen kade ungisendela ama message share.
But anyway mina since ngajona la kwamfana like I've healed entweni eziningi vele ukhukho kuphela bengikuthanda but ukucleana cha bengivilapha kodwa manje Lusa angisena choice.
So kuningi esikufundayo la ekhaya.
Hayi ngifunde kakhulu sengikwazi ukudlala ngombhedo omhlophe ngathi ngisehotel into ngangigcina lokho. Hayi manje sengiyabusa manje.
Siyabonga kakhulu Zaba. Ungakhathazeki ngizokusothela and thanks so much for sharing this beautiful experience ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Hayi ngiyangena soon nje 2 days ngibheka lapha kuma subscribers bakamfana ngiphakathi.
Ngizokuchecka.
All right but ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Inamba yakho 065 and something ne?
Yes.
Okay. Funa ngabe usithole SMS yokuqala njengamanje. Oh, I was supposed to do everything at once. All right.
Yeah, ngitholile. RDP.
Okay, ungakhathazeki sizokusotha ningathuki kakhulu like ningabi novalo. All right.
Nalo ngiyabonga kakhulu.
All right, let's touch omunye nje.
All
right. Bye.
Molweni Ntokozo.
Molo njani?
Ndaphila njani Ntokozo?
Siyaphila siyabonga.
Yo, I'm so excited. Ingathi ayisafika igate le yami. Into enzayibilisa yona manje.
Ngizolile SMS yase Pick and Go home.
When ndiyifumana sendleleni, I am so happy. No, never stop with your content. Ntokozo. Mama muthe bala ketile will only be used for visitors.
No. Mjolo, we must experience life now. Ngeke kulunge.
Injalo. You'll never stop.
Niyisebenzise nje ni-enjoye. Hey, ikusasa silazi, please.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for coming us here and sharing. Bye. Sanibona?
Hey bafo, kamanje.
Yeah bafo. Uyaphila bafo?
Ngiyaphila mfowethu, kunjani wena?
Hayi siyaphila, ngiyajabula ukuthi uqhamuke unyamalale kule nsuku.
No, kade ngise KZN bekunezinto bezikhona ekhaya, but I'm back in Pretoria manje again.
Okay.
Yeah, no ngifike late ngafika sohamba kodwa ke ngiye ngezwe lapha mangifika ukuthi uSiyanda bekunesimane bekade ekusona njalo. Before ngiya kude uyanzi la uthe ucela ngixolise ayisona ama request ukuthi bemaningi kakhulu. Ngiyazi ukuthi kubelula ukuthi ukwazi kwabamba wonke ngaso sonke isikhathi yabona. Mhlambe bese ngibuya mfethu njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngifike late. Ngizokusho lokhu njengoba ukanje Ntokozo nawe usesemncane uNkulunkulu kuphe amandla wakuphi wisdom ukuthi ukwazi ukuba ukulona usemncane kanje. Singakukhohlwa ukuthi baningi abafowethu nodadewethu abaseza ngemuva abadlule ezinkingeni nabadlula ezinkingeni ezahlukahlukene okuwukuthi bangafisa ukureach to you. Kulabo bantu abakanjalo mawukuthi ukhona olalele njengamanje ngizofisa ukuthi ngibonise ukuthi akuzi kuba lula guys ukuthi nonke nimtholo Ntokozo nibathole futhi nabantu enisuka nizofisa usizo kulona ubona kodwa kuzobiza ukuthi nibekezele uzitshele ukuthi ngelinye ilanga kuzokwenzeka uma ngabe wena qala unempumelelo ukuthi khona la ufika khona kuzokwenzeka. Mawusendile SMS wasenda iDM mhlambe yangathola ukuthi iphenduleke ngaleso sikhathi kuNtokozo ungabe usudinwa ukuthi lo mfowethu why manje senza kanje ngasangibona ilanga uzokwazi ukuphendula. Also njengoba evula ama lives nje uma ukuthi uyakhuluma and yenzeka ukuthi ungene ushare your story bakhona noza kwethu abasuke bebuka belalele kulokho abangakwazi ukusiza khona bangakwazi ukusiza. So ngisho lokho kuphela bafethu ukuthi I know ukuthi it's not easy and especially usubona umuntu oqhubekayo kwazi ukuqhubeka uyayifisa ukuba seduze kwakhe ubuze ukuthi uqhubeka kanjani uthola uhlamba kukho lula ukuthi usonke. So kuzoba right kodwa ngelinye ilanga sizoba ngendlela right otherwise
yabo into engibanga nawe nje bafu ukuthi mawungena la osisi bavele bakhale ngawe indaba yami isale eceleni kodwa ke ayikho into engayenza. No siyabonga kakhulu bafu. Siyabonga nje kakhulu what you've said. You also helped me to wrap up ezinye zezinto. Let me also just take some time to appreciate ama gifts abantu abangisendela wona on the comment section, like ama likes we live and people who are part of the live abanye from like the beginning till the end. Let me also appreciate Sisi Yanzi for coordinating this live. Like she just went straight into like managing like our guests and our panel and she did it so well. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Sisi Yanzi and please ungadinwa uqhubeke njalo, you make our lives easy kuleli khaya. So but ke ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe we'll need to come live and talk about topics that matter. You know, I feel like somehow abantu masikwi live there's this deep sense of wanting to have conversations that are meaningful, that are constructive, and we've never planned it. So someday maybe when we go live we just need to spend an hour or two and having to just engage on meaningful issues and have people discussing those things from different dimensions and experiences so that we can all learn and like shape our own path through others' experiences and wisdom, you know. So I really appreciate that. We will definitely make time for that. Like I've noticed, I've never planned with when I come live, we will talk about serious stuff. I just decide to come live, but the spirit, the universe decides which this is what is good for the nature of your conversation. So we will put some time and just like come out to listen to some conversations. I am always trying to be careful not to want to trend with everything. There are topics like this guy was sharing, omunye umuntu would have just allowed that because it could be like something that would be like, haibo. But Mina, your life comes first, and I always want to also, in the sense, I be constructive. Singing this into folk trend. If we happen to trend, let's trend, but singing this into my trends. You know, Uma is sensitive. I always want to see kulmenda when right, because some of the things we can talk about them here, only for them to go as far as families and so on and so forth, and just involved because it is deep. So I wouldn't swing reject. I just always want to make sure that in the CNZIO is not, we are not seeking attention, but we are seeking value in our talks. In our talks, we are just seeking value. Seek to be the most popular out of other people's expenses, just because maybe they are appreciating to talk to me, and in a responsibility to also look into how this is going to translate and so on and so forth. You know, as a figure. Sometimes but that's why we are all here as a family. So siyabonga kakhulu. Thanks for the gift, for your comments. Ngisacela ukuthi sikhuleke before sikhululane. Yeah, this weekend ngizoya ekhaya. I'm in the process of building 2-room ekhaya. I-room yami ne-room kamalume. So I want to deliver some few things ekhaya, ama-tiles and so on and so forth. I'm gonna hire a motor and stuff like that. But you'll see it. Nizobona la ngivela khona ukhona umkhukhu, umalume ulala emkhukhwini, but ke ngizomzama ukumakhela manje indle decent. Uyabona yonke into inesikhathi sayo. And abantu mabesibona la bacabanga ukuthi how Ntokozo lives a glitter and glam life. Sinama situations wethu. Be patient with yourself and zama la uzama khona, ungazipressurize ngezinto esizenzayo. Enjoy the content, learn what you can, but ungabi overly consumed by zonke ezinye zezinto, uyabona. So that's very, very important, you know. Ungabi taken away by my apartment wethu la. We've got our situations. I suppose a lot I know I'll see this time and so on and so forth. Be true to yourself. Ungabi nami sengifuna ukuphila kanje and so on and so forth. Just learn what you can, but don't exaggerate impilo. Impilo inzima for everyone, and don't think ukuthi inzima for wena kuphela. All right, no siyabonga kakhulu. Ngisacela nisikhulekise Xolani. Uma ukhuleka Xolani, ngifuna ngikunike le voice, ubuyise le voice ngakimi. Ngama who dangerous. Ngisacela uzosivala ngomkhuleka. I don't know if it's you and if ufisa kanjani. Ngicela ukuthatha this last guest kuno Hlophe noThando.
Noma kwazi ukuthi asikhulekise kakhulukazi ngapha kwimbokodo kubantu besifazane.
Hello.
Before ngasekolani ngicela uku-accepta uHlophe noThando. I don't know if niyamazi nabaningi bethu. She's an artist. She's a gospel singer. She's from Swatini, on Joy Celebration, on Benjamin Dube, from ebukhosini baseSwatini. Let us just allow ukuthi asibingelele. Mhlawumbe uzosiculela kancane before sithandaze.
Sanibonani.
Kunjani?
Yes. So
Ngiyaphila njani? Hayi Xolani bakhuluma ngawe kangaka kwentekeni?
angazi ucobo likaNkulunkulu siswami.
Hayi ucobo lurong Xolani.
Nami sengiyayiva le voice. Buye ufake e-studio voice.
Uyaphila sis?
I'm good ninjani?
Hayi siyaphila.
Ngiyaphila nami.
Uzani neJohannesburg?
Hey, Ngosiyam, this weekend I'm going to Durban. I think I told you ukuthi I'm still trying to push the new album Seyiphumile. So yeah, I'm going to Durban this weekend. I'll let you know at Durban.
Okay.
I mean in Joburg.
When you're in Joburg, ne?
Yes.
Okay, no ngiyojabula. Nami ngizoya eKZN ekhaya, but I'm not going to Durban.
Oh, okay. Then could you please summarize for me what were you guys talking about?
No, we're just like, I was here to greet, and then we just came to like Sesbingelelana, and people were sharing, and we just went into each topic, you know. There wasn't anything specific. Athi abantu bakubone phela abantu bakwazi umuntu la kuphela in person, they sometimes maybe can't even identify. How do I place you at the center so that you can be seen?
Oh, Jesu msindisi.
Uthi fafa nje ngevoice.
Ayibo bazalwane.
Usithi fafa ngevoice kule ngoma ethandwa abantu bonke.
Which one? Which one? Ngoba we have, I think I did Ukhululu Gobo Nangsefika in the music industry. I did Impilo Yami. Speed of Faith.
Okay.
Yes. I did Uyebo. I did manje ngende usithumela wena and Embini Zotini. So angathi ke ukuthi bazalwane
Bafisa
bathi
yini?
ngoba sitaba bazalwane sonke namuhla ebusuku. Oh hi Xolani. Yes, Methodist medley.
Okay. Would you like to give us a hint of something or usithi nje fa?
Hayibo. Nakuhlabele. Angithi ngifuna kufaka nangiXolani e-studio. Awuhlabele lapho Xolani.
Is the one that goes like Kululu to
Yebo.
Ngakho Jesu. I love that song though.
Ithini kani?
Dangerous uXolani wambona?
No, strong kakhulu. Strong kakhulu.
Awusho kanye nomuntu lo, awusho kanye kusema.
Sengiyolala. Kahle shothi mina angina life ufuna all the time ivele it's Khululu Caba. Hayi bazalwane ngeke hey.
Let's go.
Oh yeah. There's this trending one, let's see Embini Zotini. It's a Methodist, no, it's a Lutheran medley, but we did a mistake, Lapa Sapala Methodist. We're still trying to fix that one. But it's unfixable because the Apple Music but on YouTube maybe.
So
that's the thing. Nasa siyishintsha nje kufuna ukuthi iqalele phasi everything. So emaluthela most of them abazivisisi kahle. But it was a mistake from us and siyabona ukuthi we did a mistake.
Yes. Ungakhohlwa kungilungisela lapha eSwatini ufuna ngizovakasha ngiphile kangcono.
Shiyake mngongi. Xolani, buyani eSwatini. Shiyake mngongi.
Definitely. I just want to back and then we'll talk.
Hi, Jans.
Ngicela ukukhuluma, my network is not good.
Oh yes.
Ntokozo zongenza ngikhuluma indaba ke namhlanje.
Iza nazo.
Ngo-2015 I'll be brief. Ngo-2015 ngadivorce. And ngo-2015 kwakudlala ingoma kaNothando icula Spirit of Praise. Ngiphume ngingenaso ngisho spoon la ngangishade khona. But today I'm okay. I'm not crying. Ngiright. I'm well off. uNkulunkulu took care of me. Ngangihlala ngicula iculo lithi Khululu Cobo lwakho Nkosi esimeni sami Nkosi Jesu besathi ngiwabonile amandla akho ephulishonga nezibopho ngiwabonile amandla akho nempumputhe zabona khulula uqobo lwakho. Today I'm a better woman. Today, I've got it all through Christ. Today, I'm a woman of virtue. Today, I'm a lady which other ladies wish to become. Today, I'm a mother to my kids. Today, I'm everything to my family. Today, I'm proud of uNkulunkulu wami. uNkulunkulu uyakhiphana ey'mweni. Ngalicula leli culo, ngalicula leli culo, nanamhlanje ngisalikhumbula leli culo elithi khululu ugcobo walikhulula uNkulunkulu ugcobo walikhulula uNkulunkulu ugcobo. Yabona namhlanje ngiright sisi. uNkulunkulu ahlale ephinjeni lakho. uNkulunkulu akusize. uNkulunkulu akusibekele. uNkulunkulu yabona namhlanje ngifuna ukuzoqalekisa le cancer efikile engayazi ukuthi iqhamukaphi. Ngithi uNkulunkulu anisize nonke guys. Ngithe sengivalelisa lapha ngathi sleep well and wake up with blessings.
Amen.
Lona lizwe fune silishumayele njalo lelo. Uma uthi komunye umuntu akalale kahle uthi ulale kahle uvuke nezibusiso. uNkulunkulu akubusise. uNkulunkulu akunika okufisayo. Ongasebenza uthola umsebenzi. Owalahlekelwa akuthola okwamlahlekela. Oswele afumane. Olale ngadlile namhlanje kusasa avuke adle akuthola ukudla. uNkulunkulu asibekele nje sonke guys. Lonakele izwe siyayibona izinto ezenzakalayo. Konke sikubekeni uNkulunkulu nje sihlale kuNkulunkulu. Umvusela umoya. Umvusela umoya. Ungivusela ukuthi nginikhumbuze ukuthi uNkulunkulu luthando. uNkulunkulu uthanda sonke guys. Noma kunganzima manje ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi phakathi kwethu la njengoba su800 khona okunzima and uyambuza ukuthi wena uNkulunkulu kuphi. Ubokuthatha isitulo ngelinye ilanga usibeke phambi kwakho wenze ngathi ukhuluma naye ngqo. Umtshela ukuthi angabi ihlaya ngibe ngimemeza wena. Angabuzwa abantu ukuthi uphi lo uNkulunkulu wakho ukhona wena. Now is the time. Dala ngomlomo wakho niyeke ithandwa ukukhuluma izinto ezinegative ngemlomo yenu. Keep it positive. Yekela ukulokhu uthi hey mina ngixakekile. Yazi mina nginamali. Wathi mina nginemali. Ungenani. Wathi mina ngiright. Ungekho right. Wathi mina I'm well off. Ungekho well off. Ubone uNkulunkulu ukuthi uzokwenzalana. Ngivusela umoya ngiyanithanda ngiyabonga sisi. Ngiyabonga namhlanje ukuthi ungenile. Ngiyabonga. Wangilapha mina.
Siyabonga kakhulu sisi siyabonga. uNkulunkulu ahamba la ungazi khona wena uthi uyahlabela la ukhona. uNkulunkulu senze omunye umsebenzi kwenye indawo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Endibuka namhlanje it's an opportune moment umuntu uyakwazi ukuzoreflecta ukuthi I've been through this and this was never planned but uNkulunkulu ngamandla akhe. Siyabonga kakhulu. uNkulunkulu nawe akubusise akuthwaleke nawe kwezakho ngoba sometimes ubuyi-blessing kwabanye abantu nawe nezinto eziningi odila nazo abantu abangenalo. Akupha amandla ukuthi noma ngabe yini that seeks to defeat you engathi uNkulunkulu angakupha amandla ukuthi you may defeat it nawe first, you know, akunqobele.
Siyabonga bazalwane sisi noma mama Yanza siyabonga uNkulunkulu aqhubeke nje akwendela umusa akugcine nale cancer ibe seyiphelile. And to everyone man Ntokozo nawe Xolani lo supportayo. You know sometimes lo munye ngeke akhone kuthenga yo music. Abe award lo music but nje ekoneni lakhe akuthandazele ukuthi there is this guy labathi Ntokozo. I pray ngoba mina angikhona ukufinyelela nalapha. So siyabonga mani bazalwane ngale mithandazo yenu nisibeka la besingacabanga ukuthi sitawufinyelela khona because ukhuluma iqiniso nje wena sometimes you can't even pray for yourself. Music guys angikwathi lokunye. Music gospel music. No.
Siyabonga. Kodwa ke ngiyeze Eswatini mina sizo arrange. Thatha nje vacation angifuna ukustressa ngendawo zokuhlala nani.
Don't you worry.
Okay.
Don't you worry. Xolani buyani Eswatini.
Hayi mina ngizobheka nje lapho ngizobheka nje enkonzweni ngifuna ungise enkonzweni la uzothi mawuhlabelela khona ngikwazi ukuvuma nami ngikubheke.
Uyabona kami. Ngiyabonga. Thank you so much guys. Asengiyekele ke.
Awusasho nje uqhubeke nje noma 1 minute. Ngiyazi Ntokozo uthi ufuna ukuphuma ngo9 o'clock. U1 minute nje uhlabelele nje sikuzwe wedwa.
Mina ngiyendiye like high. Ngiyendeni like high.
Kusabusuku manje ivoice ilele.
Hawu Nkosi yami. Hawu ngiyendeni. Ngizolibonga. Ngizolibonga.
Jesus.
Ngizolibonga. Elakho igama. Sengahle bazalwane. Bye. Thank you so much.
Yanzi ngisacela ungena usithandazele sivale.
Oh, usatothandaza. Ngena mama ngena. Okay ke angiphume but thandaza mami. Ngiyabukela ke until.
Ngicela ngene nje sikhulekele sivale.
Okay. Sawubona moya ingcwele, sawubona sithandwa somphefumulo wethu, sawubona uNkulunkulu omuhle. Siyabonga baba. Siyabonga. Siyabonga ngethuba osiphe lona namhlanje. Siyabonga nokukhumbula ukuthi konke kuqala ngawe mdala wethu futhi kuphetha ngawe uNkulunkulu olungileyo. Sibonga konke osenzele kona empilweni zethu. Akona ukuhlakanipha kwethu nokwazi kwethu, kepha kuwumusa ovela kuwena baba. Siyabonga, sibonga siphezi moya ingcwele. Sibonga ngolo life uNkulunkulu olungileyo onenhlonipho engaka, uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Ongena kucwasa uNkulunkulu olungileyo ukuthi wena uhlwempu noma wena uyisicebi, ukuthi wena umdala noma wena umncane. Kodwa siyazana uNkulunkulu olungileyo ukuthi sonke uNkulunkulu olungileyo singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Siyabonga, sibonga ukuthobeka uNkulunkulu olungileyo ukuthi noma sinyathelana uNkulunkulu onokulunga sikufunda ukuxolisa uNkulunkulu onomusa. Siyabonga baba. Kuningi moya ingcwele ubhedukile South Africa uNkulunkulu olungileyo. Kuningi okuvelayo moya ingcwele okunye okuhamahlazo ufisa ukucasha uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Sisize moya ingcwele naba abantwana bakho uNkulunkulu onokulunga abasebenza abanye uNkulunkulu olungileyo. Abanye sikhuluma nje mfana nokulunga abanakho ngisho ukudla nqabe elungileyo. Kodwa wena ngoba uNkulunkulu who provides mfana yezulu. Ngicela ubaphe moya ingcwele. Kuvela abantu abazolula isandla uNkulunkulu olungileyo. Kuvela ama-job opportunities kuwo lo life uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Kuvela ukuthandana nobumbano lomuntu omnyama uNkulunkulu olungileyo. Nokwazisana moya ingcwele. Ukuthi manginaso isinkwa ngikwazi ukuhlephulela omunye uNkulunkulu olungileyo. Bandisele abapha abanye moya ingcwele. Yenza amaphokethe abaphuphume uNkulunkulu onokulunga khona bezoqhubeka basiza abantwana bakho uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Khona sikhuluma nje abasemanzini mvana elungileyo bahanjelwe abazali bahanjelwe yihlobo. Siyababeka moya ingcwele. Sibeka nabasemajele uNkulunkulu onokulunga ngoba khona okwethu kwahluleka moya ingcwele. Kodwa wena uNkulunkulu olungileyo baphe iwisdom ukuthi bafunde emaphutheni abo. Kuneyingane ezisemgwaqeni moya ingcwele ngezathu eziningi uNkulunkulu olungileyo. Senze singabi judgmental moya ingcwele kodwa sifunde ukukhulekelana uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Basize moya ingcwele. Shield them, protect them. Matric uzobhala zonke izingane izobhala uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Sifafaza igazi lakho moya ingcwele kuma centers la abantwana bezobhala khona. Sisingegama lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha uSathana kanasabelo kulezi indawo ngoba kuvuka imoya uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Izingane seyifundile u12 years wonke. Ingane tholisihayiza ingasihayizeliswa yini uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Sibeka wena nqabe nokulunga. Sibeke nothisha abazomaka nabazo-invigilate uNkulunkulu olungileyo ukuthi ubasize ubashilde uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Sibeka wonke umuntu owumntwana ngoba kuyena wonke umzali okwazi ukukhuleka uNkulunkulu olungileyo. Bashilde abantwana bethu ezidakamizweni uNkulunkulu onokulunga. Ubasize ubasize moya oyingcwele zinqandeke kuthi nakho konke osekuvelile emhlabeni uNkulunkulu nokulunga ubasize. Uhambele ePakistan moya oyingcwele, uhambele ka-Israyeli uNkulunkulu olungileyo, nathi e-Afrika uqobo siyakudinga moya oyingcwele. Yehla uhambe ngeenyawo usibambe ngesandla sakho moya ocwebileyo. Siyaxolisa ukusuka kuwe ngesinye isikhathi moya oyingcwele, kepha siyabuya manje siyazendlala kuwena. Akusifanele ukukumemeza ngendlela osithanda ngayo wena, kodwa wena Baba ngoba uyasithethelela, uyasithanda ngazo zonke izikhathi, uzowadala amacebo. Siyalala-ke manje moya oyingcwele, sithatha umfanekiso wokufa nqaba elungileyo, qanda imimoya uNkulunkulu olungileyo, sivuka inyama esahlangene nomphefumulo uNkulunkulu nokulunga, ukuthi abangasebenzi bavuke with good news in the morning uNkulunkulu olungileyo. Konke lokhu sikucela ngoJesu Kristu inkosi yethu kuze bekunaphakade. Amen.
Amen. Siyabonga. Siyabonga kakhulu bazalwane, sibonga Siphizi. uNkulunkulu usebenza emfihlakalweni. Siyabonga kakhulu Sisiyanzi. Thanks to everyone who was part. Siyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu anibusise elale nani anivikele. Siyabonga kakhulu. Nibe right. Amen. Siyaphuma. Danki bafo.
Bye Sisiyanzi. Nibe right guys.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu family. Usisiyanzi ukubeka konke ngomkhuleko. Siyabonga.
Bye.
Amen.